Over 50 years have passed since humanity last walked on the moon. Now, NASA is preparing for an unprecedented return with the Artemis program, a mission that will land the first woman and person of color on the lunar surface. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis represents a new era of lunar exploration. This program isn't just about planting flags, it's about establishing a permanent human presence and preparing for deep space missions. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is the most powerful rocket ever built by NASA. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, this engineering marvel can deliver the Orion spacecraft and lunar modules beyond Earth's atmosphere with unprecedented capability. The Orion spacecraft serves as humanity's deep space exploration vehicle. Equipped with advanced life support systems and radiation shielding, Orion will safely carry astronauts to the moon and back, protecting them from the harsh environment of space. The Lunar Gateway is a space station that will orbit the moon. Acting as a staging point for lunar operations, this facility allows astronauts to transfer between spacecraft and prepare for surface missions safely. Advanced landers will transport crew from the gateway to the moon's surface. These vehicles feature modern propulsion systems, spacious cabins, and innovative landing technology designed for multiple missions to different lunar locations. Artemis I launched in November 2022, an uncrewed test mission that validated the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft. This successful flight proved the systems could safely carry humans to the moon and back. Artemis II will be the crewed lunar flyby mission, carrying astronauts around the moon without landing. This mission tests all life support systems and allows astronauts to experience deep space firsthand before the eventual landing. Artemis III will achieve the historic landing of astronauts at the moon's south polar region. This landing site is strategically chosen due to water ice deposits that could support long-term habitation and fuel production for future missions. Sustained lunar exploration requires infrastructure development. NASA plans to establish habitation modules, research facilities, and resource extraction systems that will enable astronauts to stay longer and conduct valuable scientific experiments. Water ice discovery on the moon is revolutionary. Scientists believe this resource could be extracted and converted into drinking water, oxygen for breathing, and hydrogen fuel for spacecraft, revolutionizing space exploration economics. The moon serves as a testing ground for Mars missions. Technologies and procedures developed during Artemis will directly advance human exploration of the Red Planet, making deep space missions more feasible and safer. International cooperation enhances the Artemis program. NASA partners with space agencies and private companies worldwide, pooling resources and expertise to achieve ambitious lunar objectives faster and more effectively. The Artemis program represents humanity's commitment to space exploration. By returning to the moon and establishing permanent presence, we're not just making history, we're ensuring our species' future among the stars.